Hello, in front of me I've got Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. In this video I'll show you how to cook. Food in Avatar game gives you special attributes. You can replenish your food meter, and also you can heal your character and more. To cook, firstly find the cooking station. Make sure you've got ingredients. You can find your ingredients in character and pouch. Now find cooking station and select food you would like to cook. Now press and hold cook. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.